natin. Actually, dapat Wednesday, gagawin sana pero may ano daw tayo. Tapos sa Friday naman guys, papasok, may guest tayo, special guest, si Rap, PBB Connect sa Friday, abangan nyo. Wonder World. Thank you, Adriga. Thank you. Kumusta ka naman? Tawa ka ng tawa nung last time, no? Love trip ka din eh. No, Adriga. Lahat. Looking at me now, I can see my past. Damn, I look just like my fucking dad. Light it up. Hello, Ate Nicole. I even look good in the purple mirror. How are you? See my mama smile, that's a blessing. I see the change. Happy sobra palagi. Bad lad. Basta. Lap trip ka no. Hindi nakaraan ng nag-live ako. Solid eh. Nag-enjoy naman tayo eh. 4 na oras tayo nag-live no.